A fantastic stretch I like to use for the wrists is called the prayer and reverse prayer. And clues in the name. Put your hands together like you're praying, keep the fingers spread, and then once the hands are together, keep the palms together, do not let them separate. Pull the forearms down or in until you feel the stretch. Now you can rotate the hands to find the best point for you. And honestly, this kind of changes on a daily basis. So right now, actually I'm feeling the best stretch with my fingers pointing down. It might be that my best stretch is fingers pointing forwards or up. It can change. And then once you've done about a 20-second hold, release your grip. Now the reverse prayer is a similar thing, this time back of the hands together, keep the fingers apart, and make sure those back of the hands stay glued together. Pull your forearms up or in, and same again, work with rotation. Once you find the sweet spot, hold it in that position for about 20 seconds. And that is a great static stretch for the wrists.